بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين. Okay, dear students, this is Get Ready 6. Would you please open your books on page number 34. Okay, we're still in Unit 5. Today, inshallah, we will have lesson 2, as you can see. So get ready, please, and open your books. Okay. All right. Do you remember what we did on lesson 1? Okay. All right. Very good. Okay, let's go back to lesson 1. What did we do in lesson 1? You remember that? Okay, we talked about some animals and we described some animals and we compared animals together. For example, we compared elephant with a hippo. We said that the elephant is bigger than a hippo. Also, we compared, for example, the giraffe. We said that it is taller than other animals. So we used some comparative adjectives together. Okay, let's go now to our lesson today. Our lesson today is also about animals, but now we are going to compare one animal among a group of animals. Let's look at this picture. Here we have two girls. Okay, one is asking her friend. She's preparing her project or something for school, and she's asking her friend, which is the fastest animal? I think a cheetah is the fastest. The fastest. I think the cheetah is the fastest. So, which is the fastest animal? Cheetah is the fastest. The fastest. So here we are comparing more than two things. For example, here, do you remember the house example? Okay, we have house A, we have house B, and house C. What do you think of these three houses? Okay, when we have many houses, but C, and use again the adjective big. Okay, what do you think? How can we compare house? How can we compare house C among these houses using the word or the adjective big? I start with the word, or talking about the biggest one, which is house. Sorry. Okay. House C, house C, house C is, house C is, yes, the biggest. Okay, house C is the biggest. Okay. So here I compared only one house among a group of houses. So house C is the biggest. Okay? cheetah here, if we are talking about cheetah, okay, if we are talking about cheetah now, we say that is cheetah is the fastest. Cheetah is the fastest. Okay? All right. Let's move. So here when we talk about animals, of course it's important to protect our animals, especially in our country. We have many rare animals, like the lions are so rare here, and we have many animals that are no longer exist in Saudi Arabia. But we have to take care of our animals, like for example the camel, which is so important here in our country, and other animals. So here it says to you, it's important to protect our wildlife. How can we protect animals in the kingdom? Don't kill animals, please. Stop killing animals, especially those small animals in the desert. People sometimes go and kill these animals for no reason, just for having fun. So this is not good for us. We have to protect our wildlife. Okay? All right. So take care of yourselves, and don't try to kill any animal, because this is not good for our country. We have to protect our animals, and especially nowadays people are coming to visit our country and to see what is in the country. So it's important. This is a very important part, which is the wildlife of the country. Okay? All right. Let's do the quiz here. According to what we said about comparing one animal or one thing among others, which is superlative adjectives. Here, which animal is the fastest? Yes, cheetah is the fastest. We can say cheetah is the fastest, right? Okay, so we say that is cheetah. Yes, let's do it. Cheetah is the fastest. If you want to answer it in your book, fastest. Okay, which animal is the heaviest? Rhino, lion, kangaroo, as we said before, about how many kilos it weighs. So the heaviest animal is the rhino. So rhino is, you can answer it in your books, is the heaviest. Okay, is the heaviest among all the animals in the world. So here we have number one. You can answer it. Cheetah is the fastest. Okay. And here we have number two. Rhino is the heaviest animal. Okay, so which animal is the fastest? Cheetah is the fastest. Which animal is the heaviest? Rhino is the heaviest. You can answer the questions in your books, please. Okay? All right. Done? Okay. Let's go to the other part of the lesson. Okay, here. Read and write. Now we are going to use the superlative adjectives to answer these questions or to finish these sentences. Here we have adjectives. These are adjectives. Here we have adjectives. Okay? We have some adjectives here. Big, fast, high, long, tall. These are all adjectives. Okay? Let's answer the questions according to what we studied before. This part is again about animals. Number one, the cheetah is the animal. What do you think? Big or fast or high or long or tall? Which can describe, which adjective can describe the cheetah? So yes, we are going to use the adjective fast, but here I'm comparing it among the animals of the world. So the cheetah is the fastest animal. Okay? No animal is faster than the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest. Number 2, the elephant is. What do you think about the elephant? Big, high, long, tall. Yes, big. The elephant is the, yes, biggest, and don't forget to add more G, E, S, T, the biggest animal. Okay, the giraffe is the animal. Yes, tall. You can use the adjective tall. And when I compare it among the animals in the world, the giraffe is the tallest. The tallest. No animal is taller than the giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest. Okay, the giraffe has the neck. What about the giraffe's neck? Yes, it is so long, it is very long. So the giraffe has the longest neck. Okay, what about the kangaroo, which lives in Australia? The kangaroo has the, yes, highest, okay, highest jump. It jumps very high, okay? Okay, so the cheetah is the fastest animal. The elephant is the biggest animal. The giraffe is the tallest animal. The giraffe has the longest neck. It has a very long neck. The kangaroo has the highest jump. The kangaroo can jump very high. Okay? Okay, now I want you to write down all these words in your books, and please try to read them, try to understand them, and try to know these adjectives to describe these animals. Okay. Okay, we can move. Let's do this together. Now you can do it with me. You can do this exercise with me, this activity. The leopard. Now it says read and circle. You read and you choose. When you see two words together, you have to choose one of them. Okay, let's start. The leopard or lion is the king of the all animals. You know that. Who is the king, or which is the king of the animals? The leopard or the lion? Yes, the lion. Very good. It is bigger or smaller than a leopard. It is bigger or smaller than a leopard. What do you think of the lion? Bigger or smaller? Yes, it is bigger than a leopard. And faster or slower than a cheetah. We said that the cheetah is the fastest animal. So it is not faster than a cheetah. No, it is slower than a cheetah. Okay, the elephant or kangaroo lives in Australia. Which animal lives in Australia? Yes. Can you see it? The kangaroo lives in Australia. What do you think of it? It is smaller, taller than a giraffe. What about the kangaroo? Smaller or taller than a giraffe? Yes, it is smaller, of course, because the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Okay, what about its jumping? And jumps or runs the highest? It jumps or runs? Yes, it jumps. Would you please do this exercise? You can do it now. Okay, so the lion is the king of the animals. It is bigger than the leopard, and it is slower than a cheetah. And the elephant or the kangaroo lives in Australia. It is smaller than the giraffe, and it jumps the highest. So here we have comparative, here we have superlative. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's start this conversation about the animals. Which animal is the biggest? What do you think? Okay, very good. An elephant is the biggest. Okay. Which animal is the fastest? Yes, a cheetah is the fastest. Which animal is the tallest? The giraffe is the tallest. Which animal is the for example, the jumps the highest? The kangaroo. Which animal is the heaviest? The rhino. Okay, let's do the grammar focus. Remember what did I say to you? Okay, superlative adjectives. The elephant is the, what do you think? The elephant is the what? The elephant is the smallest or biggest? Yes, it is the biggest. Okay, write it down with me, please. It is the biggest animal. The cheetah, is it the slowest or the fastest animal? The cheetah is the, yes, the fastest animal. Very good. Okay, what about the giraffe? The giraffe is the, what do you think? The shortest or the tallest? Yes, it is the tallest. The tallest animal. Okay, so the elephant is the biggest, the cheetah is the fastest animal, the giraffe is the tallest. Here, this is T. Don't forget. Yes. Okay. You can write them down in your books, please. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the phonics part. Look, listen, and say. Here we have silent GH and we have the silent K. How can we read this word? Can you read this? Can you say what is this? This is 8. 8. Okay? And this is the word knee. Knee. Okay, we write them down to see what letters that we didn't. Okay, here we have 2 letters that we didn't pronounce. 8. This is silent. 8. Okay, here we have the word knee. Knee. Okay, here the K is silent. We didn't pronounce it, but we have to write it. Okay, so this is the word 8. We write the GH, but we don't pronounce it. 8. Here we have the word knee. We write the K, but we don't pronounce it. So, knee. But we have to write it down. Okay, if you don't write it, it will be a spelling mistake. So, knee. But when we say it, it is silent. Okay? All right. Listen and tick the words with silent GH or silent K. So here we have silent GH and we have silent K. Kangaroo, kangaroo. No, no. Okay. No. Hi, hi. Do we have silent words here? Silent letters here? No. Okay. No. Yes. The K is silent. We don't pronounce the letter K. Hi. Hi. Yes. Silent GH. 8. 8. Again, we have the GH silent. Key. Is the K here silent? No, it's not silent. Key. It's clear. Okay. Weight lifting. Weight lifting. Weight lifting. So here the GH, yes, it's again silent. Okay, so it is clear now that we have silent Ks and silent GHs, and you have to be careful when you read and write them. And what we did was comparing animals together, comparing two animals together, or comparing one animal among others. And it was nice doing this with you. Thank you and have a nice day.